Hello everybody! Today I want to show you this object designed and printed by me with my 3D printer. You will wonder, what the hell to be this box? Of course, all with the logo of my channel. For you it's free. This object will help you paint all your model, whether they are 3D printer or normal kit, Gunpla or Warhammer miniature. Or share with anyone who wants to download it and print it for their project with your 3D printer or through online service. All link will be included in video description, so all that remains is to show you how to use this object. It's a wet palette for your acrylic color that will not let your color dry out and giving you the possibility to stop and restart the painting phase. As you can see by reloading the upper part with water, and water will flow along the grooves. The upper part with the logo will only serve to close the palette, while the lower part has groove with the hole to allow uniformity and maintain the sponge without having to remove and wet it every time. After this short demonstration, we are going to prepare our color palette. You need a kitchen sponge and baking paper. Once we have this item, we will only have to cut the backing paper of the internal sides of your color palette. Later we use it as a template to cut out the sponge. Of course, I have already done this step, and I cut some spare part of backing paper. Now let's place your sponge previously wet and go to moisten to backing paper on the boot side and reposition it over your sponge. Trying to keep the smoother part on the top. Now the palette is ready to be used, and you can add the water whenever necessary from the top. Testing the palette, I have painted some of 3D made with low quality, like this one, One Punch Man, or this one of Baby Groot, or Luffy in BOUNDAMAN version, still in work in progress. Before saying goodbye, I suggest you print the top part with the script function and not brim, because otherwise it will not be much as a result, as you can see. Rating and good painting to all!